Are you struggling to add images to your WordPress site? Today, I'm going to show you how to upload and insert images quickly and easily so your website looks professional and visually appealing. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an option called Media. Click on it, then select Add New. From here, you have two options. You can either drag and drop your image directly into the upload area or click Select Files to choose an image from your computer. Once uploaded, your image will be stored in the media library, ready to use anytime. Now, let's see how to add that image to a poster page. Open the poster page where you want the image to appear. Click the plus icon to add a new block and select Image. You'll see options to either upload a new image or choose one from your media library. Simply select your image and it will appear perfectly in your content. You can even adjust alignment, size, and add captions to make it fit your design seamlessly. And that's it. Uploading and adding images in WordPress is that simple. With just a few clicks, you can make your posts and pages more engaging and visually appealing. Give it a try on your own site and see the difference images can make.